Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Outsystems versus Mendix difference. So now let's look at Mendix at first. So what their website says that you can build software portfolios that turn ideas into outcomes. Okay, all these things, and they're showing. Okay, so they are associated with Mitsubishi. That is a good sign, and then Dubai municipalities. All these things that you can see, it's a low code platform built to tackle complexity. Okay, so they have complete cloud choice, governance by design, data at your fingertips, and integration with all of these, which is a good sign because people we do need integration. Now let's look at Outsystems. They have AI and low code that give you, as they say, infinite possibilities for internal apps. Now, let's see what they provide. You can generate a fully functionally app ready to go in no time. How fast is no time? Anyways, build Gen AI agents into your apps in minutes, okay? Ensure top quality with AI powered reality checks. And there's a mentor thing that you could probably check out. And okay, so that is basically it. Now, if we look at some of the differences, Mendix versus Outsystems. Okay, so this is by Mendix and this is by Outsystems themselves, but unfortunately, I don't see the difference. They show for Mendix you have transparent pricing, single platform, cloud native. Obviously, they'll let us know what are the good features and all these things. Now let's look at another very popular website, which is Medium. So both of them have visual modeling of data and all these things. Both of them have functionality, work on premise and in the cloud, both using React framework for front end applications. So they both burn humans to use on this planet. Okay, so you do need to work on them. It's not completely left on them. Outsystems uses SQL. Okay, and then Mendix uses PostgreSQL database, but for local testing. And for built-in database, they use HSQLDB. So you do need to have a little bit of knowledge in these sectors. OutSystems supports minimalistic index model, and for Mendix indices, you can only select the attributes. Okay, so what we are seeing for these two applications, let's look at error handling, is for Mendix, you can use a fully different approach, which is you can define error handling type, all these things. I would say for both of them, you do need some sort of previous knowledge of having a code, but it completely depends from person to person what are the features that you are exactly looking for. Like they're showing so many integrations that we do not see being boasted at Outsystem. So I would say definitely check that. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.